friends, welcome to our channel App Reviews. This is Bernice and I will give you reviews on most amazing and fabulous app that you definitely love it and you haven't heard about it, we have heard it, you don't know how to use it, and you will definitely love to install it and it will be very useful to you. Friends, this app which I'm talking about today that marks the location of speed cameras and police on the map. But before heading towards the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel App Reviews to like this video as well. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever we upload any videos, you will get notified. Friends, when you install this app, you can mark the location of speed cameras and the police patrols on the map, as well as their location marked by the users of this map too. You can also mark road accidents or any road repair is going on while you're on travel, and weight control also, and ask people help from other users of this app. You can if you are in the middle of the road, if you got any problem in the road, then you can then you can seek the help. And it is absolutely free, and registration is no needed and no required of any registrations and all, and it works in radar detection mode. I'll tell you each and everything about this app. Make sure to be with me till the end of the video so that I'll let you know how this app actually works. And the link of this app I've already shared in the description box. When you go to the description box, click on the link, you can download this app. So friends, now come with me, I'll show you actually how this app works. So friends, now I will show you how this police detector speed radar app works. As soon as you click on the link given in the description box of this video, this type of interface will come on your mobile screen. You have to click on install. I've already installed it. This app has been given 4-star ratings, 10 million plus downloads already been done. After installing this app, you came to know where are the police patrols, and you can easily mark that out. Even the mobile radars, you can mark out where they are there. Online map will be shown to you so that you can have a complete view of everything, and you can even have the live communication with the people who have installed this app. There are the groups, you can join them, and there are the communities also. You can like their page and can view them as in. Now we will click on open and see what it actually contains. When you click on open, this interface will come on your mobile screen, and it takes hardly not only a few seconds. So if it can okay, assess the device location you have to give, so then only you have to click on next, then next, then next, then next, and next. So this type of interface will come on your mobile screen. Interface of the map will be shown of your locality, where you reside and where you are actually, and you want to see. And when you click on that, oh, I'm sorry for that. And when you click on that, map will be shown to exactly where you are, and you can easily locate the police radars. Actually, where I am, there are no ways of actually I'm sitting at home, and nearby there are no police patrols, and the radars are there, and so it's not showing. And when you click on the chat, there are the community pages of your places, and you can add anything, and you can like the page, and you can even have the chat, and you can even have the chat, and you can seek for help if you are any of these places, wherever it's belong to, wherever you are, and its lines places will be shown to you. So if you need any help, if you are on the way, you can have that. And when you click on plus sign, it will zoom. When you click on minus, like this, when you click on this, it is exactly shown to you. When you click on the settings, sorry, when you click on the third one, these are the markers, filters are there. So whatever you want to know about the stationary radar, police station, police patrol, motorcycle patrol, mobile radar, and road accidents, if you want to know any, if you are going somewhere, and after that if any road accident is there or not, about the weight control, about the road repairs, and text markers will be shown to you when you go, and when you mark that. So it will be helpful for you if you are doing. When you click on the three dots above, it will show your profile, and when you click on the settings, you have to enable everything so that it can have a quick view of everything, so that you can view that, and you can help out, and you can be, if you seek any help, you can message the ones who are using the app, and wherever you are. So I find it really very interesting, and safest and helpful app for the ones who are traveling, and who goes on travel, and they don't know what exactly on their way comes, so you can explore it. So friends. I'll be back with more amazing app reviews. Till then, you can share your views with us. You can even drop your precious comments on our comment section. Till I come back, you have to stay safe.